So over here you can see that I have a video project, and if I were to press the play button, you hear out that there is a background music to it. But if you want to go ahead and add in fade onto the background music, then you can easily do that by clicking on the fade button as you select the music right here. As you click on it, you can click on fade and you can add in fade in and fade out. That means if I were to go around and press the play button right here, the music slowly fades in, that is, it increases in volume as you can hear. If I were to go around onto the end section and press the play button, it slowly goes around and phases out as you can hear. And that is how you can go around and add in fades to the music right there. So what you can also do is over here you can see that this is the music. The music itself is 30 seconds long, but the video project is only 22 seconds long. So if you want other portions of the music, then all you need to do is click and drag around the music right here, and then you can change around the section of the music that you want to hear right here for the project. And so I have changed out the section just by clicking and dragging it. And if I were to press the play button now, you hear out a different section of the music. Let me just go around over here and you can see that this is what you have. So you need to just go around and click on the three dot button or click on adjust and then click and drag around the audio wave right here, just like this. You can go around, adjust it, click and drag around, and then go around over here onto the beginning. Keep the timeline in the beginning. And you hear out a different part of the music that you added in right there. And that is how you can add in fades to the music and then adjust out music inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.